Hey guys, welcome to your favorite channel, SubhraTheGeek. I am your host, I am your host Subhra. So guys, this is another vlog after two unboxing videos which I posted last week and last week. This is another vlog. Let's get back to our vlogs. And today I want your opinion on something which I am planning to launch on my channel. And if you guys agree, then only I will launch. So I need your agreement. Please do let me know in the comments or in the Discord server, which is linked down below, where you can find me anytime, anywhere. And that's a series which I am planning. So if you guys give me a vote, a thumbs up, I'll be starting with that series, and it will be a great help for you guys. So guys, I'm gonna talk about that series and what I learned in that series, and what are the things I will be telling you guys in that series in the next part of the video. So guys, without further ado, I am your host Subhra. You are watching Subhra the Geek. Let's start, shall we? So guys, welcome back. So what I was talking about, I'm planning on launching a series on cloud computing. So it will include the basics of cloud computing, the basics of AWS, the basics of Azure. And if you guys are interested in that, please do let me know by commenting so that I can progress with that series. I'll be giving the things which I have learned, and I'll be giving the notes about all of those. And finally, I'll be telling which one is better for which purpose, either Azure or AWS. So you can subscribe over here to let yourself know and never miss a update about those series. So that series I'm planning on my own, and I'll be giving you guys a hands-on overview about the whole series, where I'll be talking about the basics of cloud computing, what are there in cloud computing, and how cloud computing you can achieve cloud computing, and why do we need cloud computing. So all the things I'll be giving in that series, and similar for AWS and Azure, all the basic stuffs. A person can learn very easily about cloud, Azure and AWS at the same time. So if you guys give me a go ahead, I'll be starting that series from the next week. So I need your support for that, and for letting me know about your support. Please do comment or connect with me on my Discord server, where I'll be present and you can chat with me. And for any queries during the whole journey of yours with cloud computing, I'll be always present on the Discord server, where I'll be helping you guys out. And also the notes I'll be posting in the Discord server itself. So you must connect over the Discord server to get the notes out of it. And then I wanted to talk to you about what are the things that you guys want to learn from this channel. So if you guys can comment, that would be a huge help. Guys, if you like this kind of videos, please do give me a thumbs up, and it helps me a lot. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon beside it, so that you get notified each and every time I post a new video and you never miss an update. So guys, that's all for the first part of the video, and in the next part I'll be talking about what are the things that I learned. So in the past week, I learned a lot about cloud computing and different types of cloud computing. Also, I am learning Angular. So if you guys want any help in Angular or want a series on Angular, we can also plan that. And for that, you guys need to do a simple thing: just comment it or tell it to me in my Discord server. So that's the thing. And if you are interested, we can go through it. And when I'll be doing the cloud computing videos, it will be on a regular basis, similar for Angular, all the cloud thing. And if you want more of Python, more depth of Python, you can also comment that. So guys, that's the thing. And if you guys can help me out over here, that would be a lot of help to plan the series accordingly, and to bring it to you guys in the most concise form, after going through a lot of materials online and different courses online. So I feel you guys are the better judge of this thing. So I am asking you guys to help me out over here. So guys, another thing, why do we need cloud? So the basic and fundamental things are like we want some of the features which are there on a primary device, say for example a PC or laptop, that thing can be moved to cloud so that it can be used for better performance and for easier needs, to serve the needs of the user with a much of ease. So that's the thing which I'm going to talk in the cloud computing series. And guys, I hope you give me a support on those series, and you give me a a support over here for starting those series. That's what I'm asking from you guys. So I hope you will be giving me that support over there, over on the comment section and on the Discord server for those series, so that I can plan them for you guys in the most approachable manner, so that we all can go through it and we can learn a lot about it. So guys, that's all which I wanted to talk to you in this series, in this vlog actually, sorry for that. And also, if you like my unboxing videos, please, I'll be linking them up in the I button, the whole playlist. You can walk through over there and you can get a lot of vivid ideas. And if you want me to do more unboxing, that would need support from you guys. See guys, no company is sponsoring me, but I want some sponsors. That would be a lot of help. And if I get sponsors, and till the time I get sponsors, if I have some amount of money from this, some revenue from this, then I will be able to get more products and review them for you guys, so that you can be a judge of the things and you can use it properly, like the way they should be used, and you can use it for their full extent. So guys, please do support me by giving me a like, giving me a subscribe and commenting, and helping my channel to reach a lot of public. Please do share my channel, that would help me a lot also. So guys, that's all for the day. I hope you will be supporting me with my unboxing videos, and also with my cloud series which I am planning. And I would need a confirmation from you guys, so please do confirm in the comment section or in the Discord server that you do support me in my cloud series and my unboxing. Just give me a yes, a thumbs up would do. And guys, please do like, if you like this kind of videos, please give me a thumbs up, and if not, then we can always be friends, there's nothing about it. And then again, please give me please subscribe to my channel, and please hit the bell notification icon so that you get notified each and every time I post a new video. And for the Discord link, it's linked down below description box where you can find the link of the Discord, and you can ping me over there. I am always available on Discord for you guys. And if you face any problem with all the things and which is already there on my channel, and with the new things which will be coming to my channel, you can always ping me up and you can always ask me. So I won't waste much of your time. That was all for the day. It was your host Subhra from SubhraTheGeek, signing off. Bye bye.